Hello and welcome to Forex Edge. This is our currency arbitrage dashboard. It's one of our more powerful tools. Many of our members kind of gloss over this tool because they prefer the trading systems or some of the other tools that they understand a little better. This is a very important tool to incorporate into your trading strategy. Even if you're using one of our trading systems, like the Market Watch, the currency arbitrage dashboard will help you find even more trades, and it will also help you confirm some of your trades, help you get out sooner when you should. A lot of different advantages to using this particular tool. When you understand the way the currency market works, the spot forex, it's quite a bit different than the bond market or equity markets, or even precious gold, metals, anything, right? Because you have two different commodities paired, one against another. In the case of the dollar Swiss, it's the U.S. dollar and the Swiss franc, right? And then you can go down the line. Here's the pound sterling and the Japanese yen. And that means that there's two different forces sort of pushing on each other. Whenever the euro-yen goes long, it's either because the euro is strengthening or the yen is weakening, or sometimes a combination of both. Whenever both of those occur at the same time and it starts to get stretched out and it gets up here in this yellow area, you get an arbitrage situation in the market. Arbitrage basically just means it's an opportunity for you to take a high percentage trade. And all you have to do, once these currency pairs show you an arbitrage setup, say you want to make sure that you're up here in the darker yellow. I actually prefer that to be up here in the very dark yellow. Then I'll open up a euro-yen chart. I'll take a look at which way the currency pair has been moving. It's pretty simple. If the chart's going up, you're going to want to short it. If the chart's going down, you're going to want to go long. However, in some situations, you'll get up here and you'll look at the chart and you'll see that it's actually going sideways. That's actually another great indicator. What you want to do is draw parallel lines on a chart, and then when you see a breakout happen, you know that it's going to take off. This is a very powerful tool. We'll go into this tool in more depth in some lessons and some other videos, but I wanted you to understand basically what it's doing. The general concept, if you look at some of our Forex meter charts, there's more data to it. But let's take this Aussie yen chart as an example. Right now, if we'll shrink down the chart just a little bit, and let's do this. We'll put this up here, slide this all the way over. Trying to record and move windows at the same time. Sometimes easier said than done. So here's our Aussie yen at the top. And our Aussie yen line is right here, and you can see there's really no divergence at all between these two currencies. So there's no arbitrage opportunity at all. Why is that? Well, if we turn off the trend market data and we just look at the currency pairs, each side, actually, the currencies, the base and the cross. The base is the Aussie dollar, and the cross is the Japanese yen. They're literally sitting on top of each other. What we're looking for, and then in contrast, let's go ahead and open up a 1 hour euro-yen chart. So you can see the difference. Turn off the technical data again. You can see that we've actually got a little bit of space here. Now, if we were to look back on a chart, remember these are 1 hour intervals, and if we were to go back about, it looks like about 45 intervals, you can see that we had a significant divergence between the base and the cross. And when that happened, the pair consolidated. You can see that from this, if we put the technical data back up, you can see that these pairs consolidated and it went back down. So that's the basic idea behind this. What it does is it basically boils down the market and allows you to see the divergence between the different currencies from one interface. Again, just another tool in your tool set, but a very powerful one. If you have any questions, as usual, just open up a support ticket and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.